Did you know there's a search engine that can find every internet-connected device in the world? Or a database that holds the keys to millions of vulnerabilities? These sites actually exist. They're real tools used by hackers every day. I've spent years tracking down the most powerful, under-the-radar websites that real hackers use. I'm about to reveal insane websites that will transform you from a curious beginner into a pro-level hacker. So, let's dive straight in and level up your hacking game. This content is for educational and informational purposes only. Unauthorized access to systems, networks, or data is illegal. Always obtain proper permission before attempting any security testing. First up, we've got CrackStation, the ultimate online tool for cracking password hashes. It combines massive rainbow tables with brute force techniques to recover passwords from hashes like MD5, SHA-1, and SHA-256. It's an eye-opener for understanding how quickly weak passwords can be cracked, emphasizing the importance of strong credentials. CrackStation is fast, reliable, and a must-use tool for penetration testers when simulating attacks. It's also a great educational resource to demonstrate the weaknesses of outdated hashing algorithms. Whether you're testing systems or proving a point about security, CrackStation is a hacker's best friend. And hey, if you're serious about learning pro hacking, make sure to check out my pro hacking cheat sheets. They teach you everything you need to get a flying start on your journey, the best tools, the essentials commands, and the hacking process you should follow. You can grab the link in the comments. Next, we have pentesttools.com, a cloud-based suite of tools designed for penetration testers. It offers everything from port scanning and subdomain enumeration to web vulnerability assessments and CMS security checks. The platform's clean and intuitive interface makes it accessible for beginners, while powerful enough for pros. With tools like website scanners and network mappers, pentesttools.com simplifies time-consuming tasks and delivers clear results. The platform is incredibly useful for conducting fast security tests, saving valuable time during engagements. If you're looking for a comprehensive toolkit that doesn't overwhelm you, this is the one. Now let's talk about Graynoice, a game changer for filtering out internet noise. It identifies benign scanners and background traffic like search engine crawlers, so security professionals can focus on real threats. Graynoice tags and categorizes IP addresses based on behavior, helping you prioritize legitimate risks. It's a critical tool for anyone tired of chasing false positives and wasting time on harmless scans. By reducing the noise, Graynoice allows teams to concentrate on identifying actual malicious activity. If you're serious about improving your threat detection, this tool is a must-have in your arsenal. urlscan.io is a brilliant tool for analyzing suspicious URLs and uncovering their hidden tricks. Just paste a link, and urlscan.io performs a deep dive showing HTTP requests, redirects, scripts, and other hidden elements. It's perfect for identifying phishing sites, malicious redirects, or compromised pages. The visual interface makes it easy to spot suspicious behavior, even for beginners. Whether you're analyzing a potential threat or doing a quick investigation, urlscan.io provides a wealth of information in seconds. It's an essential tool for anyone dealing with suspicious links or web-based threats. If you're working with malware, any.run is an interactive sandbox that's both powerful and easy to use. It allows you to upload suspicious files or URLs and watch their behavior in a controlled virtual environment. You can observe real-time processes, network requests, and registry changes as the malware executes. This makes any.run perfect for researchers, analysts, and anyone curious about how malware behaves. The platform's visual and detailed output is invaluable for understanding how malicious files operate. Best of all, you can interact with the malware during the analysis to test different behaviors. Another top malware analysis platform is Hybrid Analysis, a free sandbox that combines static and dynamic file analysis. Upload suspicious files, and you'll receive a detailed report outlining their behavior, registry edits, and network activity. Hybrid Analysis integrates with multiple tools and antivirus engines to provide comprehensive insights into potential threats. It's widely used by malware researchers, penetration testers, and threat hunters. The platform also allows you to compare files against previous samples, helping identify patterns and new trends. If you want an in-depth look at how malware works, this tool is invaluable. For OSINT investigations, Intelx is a powerful tool that indexes leaked databases, dark web content, historical snapshots, and more. It lets you search for email addresses, domains, IP addresses, and other exposed data. This is incredibly helpful for digital forensics, threat investigations, and pen testers looking to uncover sensitive information. Intelx's extensive data sources make it a go-to platform for anyone conducting online investigations. Whether you're exploring breached information or performing reconnaissance, Intelx delivers fast and reliable results. It's like a search engine for everything hidden beneath the surface. Census is a search engine built to explore internet-connected devices. Census allows you to find servers, IoT devices, and vulnerable assets exposed to the public internet. Its detailed search results include security certificates, open ports, and software versions, making it ideal for network reconnaissance. Security researchers rely on Census to identify misconfigurations, outdated software, and devices at risk. The clean interface and powerful search capabilities set it apart from similar tools. Whether you're mapping attack surfaces or checking for exposed systems, Census provides everything you need. Shodan takes internet-connected device discovery to a whole new level. Dubbed the search engine for the Internet of Things, Shodan reveals webcams, industrial control systems, servers, and more that are accessible online. It's an incredibly powerful tool for mapping networks, identifying vulnerabilities, and discovering misconfigurations. Shodan also highlights security gaps that attackers could exploit, making it invaluable for penetration testers and security teams. By providing visibility into connected devices, Shodan helps secure the growing world of IoT. It's equal parts fascinating and terrifying to see what's truly connected online. Let's not forget VirusTotal, the go-to tool for analyzing suspicious files, URLs, and hashes. Powered by multiple antivirus engines, VirusTotal quickly scans uploads and identifies malware or other threats. It also generates detailed behavior reports, including network requests and process changes. The platform is widely used by security professionals, researchers, and even individuals wanting to check suspicious downloads. VirusTotal's reputation for reliability and speed makes it a must-use resource for threat analysis. If you need quick insights into potentially malicious content, this is your tool. CyberChef, also known as the Cyber Swiss Army knife, is a powerful web-based tool for data manipulation. It lets you decode, encode, encrypt, decrypt, and transform data using a simple drag-and-drop interface. Whether you're working with base64, hashes, or complex encryption schemes, CyberChef simplifies otherwise tedious tasks. It's invaluable for pen testers, forensic investigators, and developers handling large datasets.